Alright guys, let me introduce you to my travel buddy. I call him the Backpack. Creative name, I know, right? Anyways guys, this is my backpack. My 24 liter and 15 pound in weight backpack. When I say 15 pound, I mean 15 pound with how much the backpack weighs, but also with everything that I have inside and with everything that I travel. Okay? This is what I use to travel all across the Southeast Asia, or all across the Southeast Asia. This is what I use to travel in Southeast Asia, and I have been on the road since middle of October 2024. And now, this is the last day of January 31st. And I'll still be around for a bit, right? But this is what I use, guys. This is what I use. You can see I have some carabines attached to it. Over here, one as well. This is just because, yeah, it's. I don't even know why I had to mention the carabines. They're very useful when you travel, though. But anyways, that's something that I bought as extra besides the backpack. I bought it in. I think it was October. It was October before I left. So it's new and it's holding well. And yeah, but that's not the point. What I want to say is that I have actually not seen anyone on this platform called YouTube travel the world, Southeast Asia or any other parts of the world, doesn't really matter, with such a small backpack. Okay? It's, man, I don't know exactly its sizes, but for those of you coming from Europe, it almost fits the sizes of Ryanair and Wizz Air. And those are the smallest sizes for a backpack, for a carry-on. You know, the companies, those companies, Wizz Air and Ryanair, as far as I know, they have the smallest carry-on sizes on planet Earth. All right? So it's really small. In US, I mean, it could be like bigger, something like this or something like this. It's probably small, like in US and also in Asia, guys. Could be like 10, at least 10 centimeters taller, about 8 centimeters wider, and also a few more centimeters, I don't know what's this called, width, like this, okay? So actually this is very good for Europe as well. It's very durable and all that. But if you want another video about the backpack itself, I'll make a video about the backpack itself, okay? And yes, I am probably too small of a guy on YouTube to get sponsored by these guys over here, but I hope this video actually inspires you, you know, not about the backpack necessarily, but it inspires you to see what is possible, okay? To see what is possible. As I said, I have not seen anyone on YouTube, and I've seen people on YouTube, of course, that travel with small backpacks, but nothing like this. Guys, it's 24 liters, okay? And it's very well padded. That was important for me. So I don't know if 24 liters is with the pad or without the padding, but it's 24 liters. Never seen anyone on YouTube traveling with 24 liters across the world. And not just that. It's slightly over 15 pounds. That's it. That's 7 kilos. Okay, for my European friends and other friends around the world that use kilograms and not pounds. 15 pounds, a little over 15 pounds, 7 kilos. That's including the weight of the backpack and obviously everything that I have inside with my laptop and everything else that I might use. Even this microphone, sorry, which obviously doesn't weigh much. But that's it. That's what I'm traveling with. Okay? Now, I do have a few tips on actually how to travel with a little more, but still not pay the fees, baggage fees and stuff like that and whatnot. So I'm gonna make a video about that as well. But also, if you're interested about the backpack itself, as I said, I can make a review of this backpack and why I bought it. I researched for quite a while for a good quality backpack, and this has not disappointed me. Alright? And maybe I can also tell you what I have inside. I cannot show you what's inside because most of my clothes are not inside as of now. I do have some stuff inside because I don't have a wardrobe. I don't have a wardrobe, in fact, over here. So, but that's it, guys. I travel all across Southeast Asia with a 15 pound / 7 kilo 24-liter backpack. Okay? And this is hopefully inspiring to you in two ways. One, it doesn't have to be someone else that did something for you to do it. As I said, I've seen people, obviously this is a carry-on bag, okay? I don't need to check in this bag. I've seen people and by the way, everything, like there's so many things about this bag, why specifically I chose this bag, including its color. So if you're curious about that, let me know, okay? Let me know. And the color being black, it's not because, if it gets dirty, you cannot see the dirt on it. There's a different reason to it. Let me know if you're curious about it. Maybe I can reply in the comment. Let me know, why do you think I chose black as a color? The most important reason why. Ask me in the comments and I'll reply. Or I can make a video. I can make a video of how I chose this bag as well. So, first way I hope this video inspires you is that you don't have to see someone else necessarily do something for you to do it. If something hasn't been necessarily done before, or maybe it has been but you haven't seen it yet, just as I haven't seen anyone traveling with a 24-liter 15-pound backpack, well, it doesn't mean I cannot do it. Why can't I be the first one to do something like that? Or the first one that I know of? Because probably there are people who did it, but maybe they just didn't make a video on YouTube about it. So that's the first thing. Second thing is, it's the first time I'm doing backpacking. All of my life, wherever I traveled, I had 2 suitcases with me, 2 large suitcases, 1 or 2 suitcases, 1 big suitcases, right? 31 kilos or 30 kilos, big, huge. And I saw some people on YouTube recommending, okay, you kind of decrease the amount of stuff you bring, but don't just jump for something crazy. In no way something like this. But I want to actually inspire you. Why not? Why not? I jumped from 2 suitcases, 2 large suitcases that I would check in, to just a 24-liter 15-pound backpack. You're not gonna die. Alright? You're not gonna die. It's gonna feel very weird leaving your country with something like this on your back. And I'm thinking, I'm going to Southeast Asia. I am in Europe. it's, you feel naked in a way. Let me put it this way, because that's the truth. You feel naked in a way, and you kind of feel like, anxious about it. It's insane. But at the same time, it's really liberating. Whatever I have on myself, like, that's my wardrobe, you know? Not really, but I can pack my backpack pretty fast and be out. Actually, I'm still packing slow because I'm just not used to it, but it's incredible. It's a liberating feeling that makes you feel naked at the same time. But I think we'll get used to it. So yeah, that's how I do it. That's what I do. And I hope this video is inspiring to you. You know, you can travel the world, see places in the world, expand your horizons, become smarter, work on yourself, work on your business, make money, save money, and do this, you know. That's it. I made this video because I hope it will inspire you. All right. Let me know if you have any questions, and in case I get back to your questions a little slower, just know it's a little slower sometimes, but I do get back to them. All right. Hope this video inspired you, and let me know if you want a part 2, and I will make it in the future. Maybe just showing you how this beautiful backpack looks, how many zippers it has. I think they're called zippers, like the compartments and departments and everything of that nature. Let me know if you're curious, and I can do that for you. All right? See you in the next video.